Delhi. What's the name of our Prime Minister? Our Prime Minister's name is Mr. Narendra Modi. Thank you. Good morning to Andhra. My name is Sayan from Mangalore State. Today, thought of the day, non-active schedule, 3 January. Thank you. Good morning to one and all. We are going to discuss few conversation questions on rainbow. How does rainbow look? A rainbow looks very beautiful. Is rainbow created by man? It is creation of nature. Where does rainbow appear? Rainbow appears in the sky. How many colors are there in a rainbow? There are 7 colors in the rainbow. Hello everyone, you know what is the nickname of rainbow? Yes, I know. Vidya is the nickname of rainbow. Name the colors of the rainbow. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, autumn red. And which season we see the rainbow? Rainbow is seen in rainy season. Appears to the sun. Rainbow in the sky. We see the rainbow as we have skin. And rainbow. Rainbow is not as fanciful. Let us rainbow as violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Later we see when the sun shines through the rainfall. Our rainbow appears opposite the sun. To draw my energy, everyone like me very much. To many raindrops, it bends and separates into all different colors, making a rainbow you can see. Think of the raindrops like tiny prism. It splits the white sunlight into red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Thank you.
So beautiful, the rainbow is so colorful. 7 colors so beautiful, the rainbow is so colorful. Raindrops and sunlight together make a rainbow bright. Violet, indigo and blue, green, yellow, orange and red too. 7 colors so beautiful, the rainbow is so colorful. 7 colors so beautiful, the rainbow is so colorful. Next song, okay? How many colors are there in a rainbow? How many colors are there in a rainbow? How many colors are there in a rainbow? How many colors you see? Violet, indigo, blue, green and yellow. Violet, indigo, blue, green and yellow. Violet, indigo, blue, green and yellow. Orange and red. There in a rainbow. 7 of the colors are there in a rainbow. Seven of the colors are there in a rainbow. Seven of the colors we see. Now everybody has to sing loudly, okay? Once again. How many colors are there in a rainbow? How many colors are there in a rainbow? How many colors are there in a rainbow? How many colors you see? Violet, indigo, blue, green and yellow. Violet, indigo, blue, green and yellow. Violet, indigo, blue, green and yellow. Orange and red. Seven of the colors are there in a rainbow. Seven of the colors are there in a rainbow. Seven of the colors are there in a rainbow. Seven of the colors we see. Very good.
Parents and beloved students, today the day is looking so bright. Give a big clap for kindergarten students. What is the day today? Say loudly, what is the day today? Yes, this academic year we enjoyed a lot. Give a big clap for our Zina sister and corresponding sister, please. We enjoyed so many beautiful colored days, no? Children, is it yes or no? Red day, blue day, orange day, yellow day. These all days together form a rainbow. Bright colors we are seeing today in the kindergarten. 7 colors are there in the kindergarten. LKGA, what is the color of your class? What is the color of your class? LKGA, say loudly. LKG B section. LKG B section. LKG C section. LKG C. Blue color. Nursery students. Nursery students. UKG A section. A nice. B section. C section. 7 colors are here. You should have a bright. So today is last day rainbow. Very good. You have done well. First and foremost, I congratulate all those participated. Give them a good applause. All those are standing here, different colors, is shining. Okay, once again, give them good applause. So this behind, do you like this decoration? Say loudly, do you like this decoration? So I congratulate the teachers and their hard work. I congratulate all the KG teachers. Thank you for your hard work. Give them a good applause, dear children. Okay, next again, now we will have one more day, graduation for UKG. Okay, no? Then LKG students will be all the dance programs, MC, everything.